How to not sleep.
Stimulants, coffee, tea, or energy drinks containing caffeine can help you stay awake for a while. Be cautious not to overdo it, as excessive caffeine consumption can lead to negative side effects. Stay active. Engaging in physical activity can help keep you awake. Take short walks, do some exercises, or stretch periodically to keep your body alert. Stay engaged. Keep your mind occupied with stimulating activities like reading, working on a project, playing a game, or watching an engaging movie or TV show. Stay in a well-lit environment. Bright light can help signal to your body that it's time to be awake. Keeping your environment well lit can help you stay alert. Take short naps. If staying awake for an extended period is unavoidable, short power naps, around 20 to 30 minutes, can provide a brief boost in alertness. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can make you feel tired, so make sure to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Avoid heavy meals. Large meals can make you feel sluggish and sleepy, so opt for light, nutritious snacks if you need to stay awake. Thank you for watching.